Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. If you're watching this video before 2020, Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Now I'm gonna be very quick and brief in this particular video, and I'm going to bend an LCD screen in a minute to see what happens. So I'm gonna answer this particular question: why manufacturers are using AMOLED screens instead of LCDs? Well, the simple answer is that because the LCD screen contains two glass layers. When you try to bend it, well, it breaks. Where the OLED screen is made of plastic, and especially if you remove the top layer, which is pretty much the glass layer, you've got a flexible screen. That's why it's called POLED screen. P for plastic, pretty much. It all started in 2011. The paper phone was a very cool concept which never seen the light of day. Google tried to say something about a paper phone a few months ago. They basically took a piece, so anyway, let's forget about that. Now, in 2013, LG was the first one to release their, LG G Flex, the first phone with a flexible OLED screen. Samsung followed with the Galaxy around a few months later on. After that, the G Flex 2, and pretty much that's it. Not many phones came out with flexible displays because they kind of saw the low sales numbers and they were like, it's too expensive to manufacture, so who cares? Until 2019, the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Motorola RAZR are both using plastic OLED screens without the top glass layer. That's why they break and scratch so easily, because they're made of plastic, but that's what allows them to flex pretty much, and that's why they don't use LCD screens. Let's see what happens if we try to bend an LCD screen. So when you try to bend an LCD screen, the first thing that goes is the digitizer, and let me show you what happens, guys. First, the digitizer breaks, but the screen underneath still works fine. So let's see how we can break the screen. Let's try to bend the regular screen, yeah? Oh, that's what happens. Yep,